20th April, Tuesday. I took a quick ride around Princeton, New Jersey after work to test few things. First one is this one, a motorcycle rearview mirror mount bracket holder. The second test will be this new action camera, AKASO EK7000. I do have a GoPro Hero5 Session but wanted to have another camera. The third test will be for this phone GPS holder. I have put up phone here to see the route. GoPro is fantastic, but this Session camera doesn't allow you to change batteries. So after an hour or two, you have to charge it. Very inconvenient. But this AKASO EK7000 though doesn't have the best quality, but I can change battery, and batteries are cheap. For $60, I got this camera and its accessories and a total of 4 batteries. The motorcycle rear view mirror mount bracket holder did hold the camera very secured. My phone didn't fly off, but I couldn't test the AKASO EK7000 camera. It's my mistake. I didn't bring the charged battery with me. I don't think I will use my action camera on motorcycle rear view mirror mount bracket holder. You all don't have a good view at what I am seeing. So it's best the action camera is on the chin mount. Once in a while we'll put that to give a different angle of the video.